You know what's funny? Most people believe that their financial future depends on big decisions like landing a high paying job, starting a business, or investing at the right time. But in reality, it's the tiny daily choices, the ones that almost feel invisible, that quietly shape your entire financial life. The way you spend the first 10 minutes after getting your paycheck, the way you react when you're stressed, the way you talk about money when no one's listening. Those small moments decide whether you'll build wealth or stay stuck in the same cycle for years. And the scary part, most people never even realize it. In this video, we're breaking down 5 tiny decisions that, if you start making them today, can completely change your financial future over time. These aren't complex systems or get-rich-quick tricks. They're subtle mindset and behavior shifts, backed by psychology and real-world examples. By the end of this, you'll see money differently. Not as something that happens to you, but something you can control, step by small step. The first decision, pause before purchase. Let's start with the simplest one, but also the hardest to master. Every time you're about to buy something that isn't essential, pause for 24 hours. That's it, one day. It sounds small, almost pointless, but this one decision rewires your brain's relationship with impulse. Our brains crave instant reward, that dopamine hit you get from buying something new. But when you create space between wanting and buying, your brain learns patience. And that patience spills into every part of your financial life. A study from Duke University found that people who practice short-term purchase delays spend up to 30% less on non-essentials over a year without feeling deprived. I've tried this myself. Whenever I want to buy something, like new tech or clothes, I just add it to a maybe later list. Most of the time, I forget about it. That tells me I never really needed it in the first place. Tiny decision, wait before you buy. Long-term result, you keep more money without cutting joy. The second decision, pay yourself first. Most people save what's left over after spending, but the financially free do the opposite. They save before spending. Even if it's a small amount, $10, $20, it doesn't matter. This single choice flips your entire money system. You're telling your brain, I come first. Behavioral scientists call this pre-commitment. By deciding ahead of time where your money goes, you protect it from emotional spending later. Think of it like brushing your teeth. You don't wait to see if you have time, you just do it automatically. When your savings become that automatic, your future self quietly becomes wealthier every month. And here's the secret. It's not about how much you save, it's about the habit. The habit of paying yourself first creates a sense of control, and that control builds confidence. Tiny decision. Treat saving as the first bill you pay. Long-term result, financial stability that grows by habit, not effort. The third decision, learn before you earn. We spend so much time chasing money, but so little time understanding how it actually works. Most people learn about money the hard way, by making mistakes. But there's another way. You can choose to learn before you earn. It could mean watching one video on investing every night instead of random entertainment, reading one finance book a month, or even tracking your spending for 10 minutes a day to spot patterns. One of my favorite examples is Warren Buffett. He spends almost 80% of his day reading and thinking, not trading or hustling. He once said, the more you learn, the more you earn. And he wasn't exaggerating. Knowledge compounds just like money does. Every time you choose learning over mindless scrolling, you're quietly investing in the mind that will manage your future wealth. Tiny decision, learn before you earn. Long-term result, you make smarter financial moves automatically. The fourth decision, avoid lifestyle creep. This one catches almost everyone off guard. You get a raise, you upgrade your phone, your car, your apartment. It feels good. You earned it, right? But here's the trap. Your spending grows with your income. That's called lifestyle creep, and it's the silent killer of financial freedom. Instead of feeling richer, you stay just as stressed, only with fancier problems. I remember a friend who doubled his income in 2 years, but by the end of it, he was still living paycheck to paycheck, just in a nicer apartment. When you choose to hold your lifestyle steady, even slightly, as your income grows, that gap between earning and spending becomes your freedom fund. The people who build wealth aren't the ones who make the most. They're the ones who don't spend everything they make. Tiny decision. Keep your lifestyle one step behind your income. Long-term result, real wealth, not just the appearance of it. The fifth decision, invest automatically. If you have to think about investing, you'll delay it. If you delay it, you'll miss the magic of compound growth.
That's why the smartest financial decision is to automate it. Set a recurring transfer, even $20 a week, into an investment or savings account. Don't leave it to willpower. Let systems do the work for you. Albert Einstein once called compound interest the eighth wonder of the world, but most people never experience it because they never start. By automating your investments, you remove emotion, hesitation, and decision fatigue. It's like planting a tree that keeps growing even when you're asleep. Tiny decision. Automate your investments. Long-term result? Wealth that grows quietly in the background. Now, a quick warning. Tiny decisions only work when they're consistent. If you do them for a week and stop, you'll see no difference. The real transformation happens when these choices become automatic. And also, avoid the perfection trap. You don't need to do all 5 at once. Start with one, maybe the pause before purchase rule, and master it. Once it feels natural, add the next one. Money habits are like muscles. Small reps, done daily, build strength you can rely on for life. And one more thing, don't compare your timeline with others. Financial progress is invisible at first, but like compound growth, it accelerates when you least expect it. So let's recap the 5 tiny decisions that quietly change everything. Pause before you purchase. Delay spending, reduce regret. Pay yourself first. Save before you spend. Learn before you earn. Grow your financial intelligence early. Avoid lifestyle creep. Stay one step behind your income. Invest automatically. Let your systems build wealth for you. None of these require luck, genius, or big risks. Just awareness and small, consistent action. If you start applying even one of these today, you'll feel a shift. Not just in your bank account, but how in control you feel. Because money isn't just about numbers. It's about mindset. And when you master these small choices, the big results eventually take care of themselves. So pick one. Try it for a week. Then watch how your relationship with money quietly begins to change. And if you found this helpful, share it with someone who's trying to build better habits too. Because sometimes one small idea shared at the right time can change someone's entire financial future.